So far you have studied what is usual topology and finite complement topology, or it is called cofinite topology. Now some examples on that. See here, prove that the union of open intervals of the form n plus 1, where n belongs to z. What is z? The set of all integers is an open set. Of usual topology. What do you mean by open set? You have studied this. Suppose X tau is a topological space, tau is a topology on X. Members of this tau are called open sets. We define closed set later. Open set means any member of this topological space, any member of this topology tau on X is called an open set. Now we have to prove that union of open intervals is an open set in the usual topology. For that we use previous result here. What is that? We know that every open interval is an open set of the usual topology. The previous article you refer that one, previous video, I have proved this one. Every open interval is open set of usual topology. Further, we know that the union of open sets is open. That means the union of members of tau is again a member of tau. This is one of the axioms of topology here. That I state that same axiom as like this. Union of open sets is open. That means union of open sets of tau is again in tau. Union of open sets is open. Hence, since every open interval is open set and union of open sets is open, hence the union of open intervals is open set. Open set of usual topology. Next is prove that the arbitrary intersection of open sets need not be open. Understand clearly? In the axiom of topology, how the axioms are defined, or when do you say that tau is a topology? If X belongs to tau, pi belongs to tau, every union of members of tau is again a member of tau. But fourth one is every arbitrary union of, what is the definition? X belongs to tau, pi belongs to tau, and the finite intersection of members of tau is a member of tau, and every union of members of tau is member of tau. That third axiom, finite intersection of members of tau must be a member of tau. That is the axiom. Now, what is the problem here? Arbitrary intersection of open sets need not be open. If we take the collection of subsets of X, only finite intersection of members of tau must be member of tau. That is the axiom of topology. Now we are going to prove here arbitrary intersection of open sets need not be open in the usual space. For that, we take this example. Consider G of n is minus 1 upon n. That means G1 is minus half, G2 is minus 1 by 3, minus half half. G1 is minus 1 1. G2 is minus half half. G3 is minus 1 by 3 1 by 3. G4 is minus 1 by 4 1 by 4 and so on. G of n, it belongs to where n belongs to n, n belongs to n, then G of n belongs to U, usual topology. Why G of n belongs to U? Because G of n is open intervals and every open interval is open set of U. Every open interval is open set of U. So G of n belongs to U. G of n belongs to U. Now we have to prove that arbitrary intersection is not a member of U. For that, consider intersection G of n belongs to n. Anybody, what is intersection G of n? Try this. What is intersection G of n? See, intersection of this minus 1 1, intersection of minus half half, minus 1 by 3 1 by 3 and so on. What is the intersection of this? Intersection of this is singleton set 0. 0 belongs to all the intervals here. So all these intervals. So intersection of this is 0, but singleton set 0 does not belongs to you. Can you give the reason why singleton set doesn't belongs to you? For that you should know the definition of members of U, or how U is defined. How U is defined? U is defined like this. For each x belongs to A, there should exist an open interval I such that x belongs to I and is contained in A. Then only A belongs to U. A belongs to U. U is defined like that. Now in this case, 0 is the intersection of these open intervals here, arbitrary intersection of open sets, and it is 0. 0 does not belong to U because we cannot find out an open interval which contains this singleton set 0 and is contained in 0. That is not possible. This is not possible. Hence, it doesn't belong to U. Hence, arbitrary intersection of open intervals or open sets need not be open. Now, this is an exercise. List all the topologies on set consisting of two elements on this A is equal to 1. Here there will be 4 topologies, and out of that 4 you know that 2 are trivial. One is discrete topology, indiscrete topology, that you have already studied. Total number of topologies is 4 here. You list that one. Second exercise, find the 3 topologies. Find 3 topologies. TO1, TO2, TO3 in 1, 2, 3 such that TO1 is contained in TO2 which is contained in TO3. You have studied comparison of topologies. If TO1 is contained in TO2, contained in TO3, we say that TO1, TO2 are comparable, TO2, TO3 are comparable, TO1, TO3 are also comparable. Now definition of closed sets. I already explained what are open sets. What do you mean by open set? Every member of a TO, if TO is a topology on X, every member of TO is called open set. Now definition of closed set. Let definition X TO be any topological space. Any topological space a subset A of X is called a closed set if and only A dash is open, its complement is open. A subset A of X X2 is a topology or X2 is a topological space, then a subset A of X is called closed set if its complement is open. Its complement is open. A dash is open. Now I give the example here for closed set. Let X is equal to A, B, C, D consist of 4 elements, and let tau is equal to X, pi, A, B, AB, AB. Then X tau is a topological space. X tau is a topological space. This you can verify, or you have to verify. When do you say that X tau is a topological space? If tau is a topology on X. When do you say that tau is a topology on this collection? Tau is defined by this. When do you say that tau is a topology? If the members of tau satisfies 4 axioms, that you verify. I leave that as exercise. Here X tau is a topological space. The sets X, pi, BCD, BCD and ACD and CD are all closed sets. See the definition of closed sets. Understand? Closed set means, when do you say that a subset A of X is closed? A subset A of X is closed if the complement of A is, or if and only if the complement of A is open. If complement of A is open, A is said to be a closed set. Now in this case, see here, this is important. X, pi are always open as well as closed sets in any topological space. In any topological space X tau, X and pi are always open as well as closed sets. Why they are open? Because for first 2 axioms, X must always belongs to tau, pi must always belongs to tau. But X and pi are always closed also. Why X is closed here? X dash is pi, which is open. Therefore X is closed. Pi dash is X, which is open. Therefore this pi is closed. BCD is open. BCD is closed because what is complement of BCD with respect to this X? Complement of BCD is A, that is open. So it is BCD is closed. ACD is closed because what is its complement? Complement of ACD is B, it is open. Complement of CD is AB, it is open. So these are closed sets. Next is important result. It is, let tau be a discrete topology on any non-empty set X. You have studied what is discrete topology. There are 2 trivial topologies always, discrete and indiscrete topology. What is discrete topology? Suppose X is any non-empty set. I take X is equal to ABC. Then if you take tau is equal to P of X, then tau is a topology. What do you mean by P of X? P of X means all the subsets of X. X pi, A, B, C, AB, BC, CA, and this becomes all the subsets of X here. And this collection is always a topology on X, and that is called discrete topology. And in case of discrete topology, so every discrete topology, every non-empty set X, non-empty subset of X is open as well as closed. Any non-empty set X, every subset of X is closed. See, every subset of X is open here, every subset of X is also closed. Therefore, in a discrete topological space X2 on any non-empty set X, every subset of X is open as well as closed. Why X is closed? Its complement is open. X and pi are always open as well as closed. Why A is closed? Its complement is there in this collection. You can verify every subset of X is open as well as closed. But converse is not true. I give the example for that. What is the converse? See, in every discrete topological space, every subset of X is open as well as closed. But the converse is not true. What is the converse? If every subset of X is open as well as closed, then X is discrete space. That is not true. For that, we take the example here. Take this example. Let X is equal to ABC. ABC. Tau is equal to X pi ABC. ABC. Now here, every member of tau is also closed. See the statement here. Every member of tau is open. That is always definition, open. Suppose every member of tau is also closed, then it need not be a discrete space. But in a discrete space, every member of tau is open as well as closed. But converse is not true. What is the converse? If every member of tau is open as well as closed, then tau is a discrete space. That is not true. How that is not true? First you have to prove that every member of tau is closed. X and pi are always open as well as closed. Now I consider A. A is closed because what is A dash? BC. It is open. And BC is closed because complement of BC is A. It is open. Therefore, every subset of, that is every member of tau is open as well as closed. But this is not a discrete space. Why it is not a discrete space? Discrete topological space means tau must be like this. If tau is P of X, then only it is discrete topology. So, converse of that is not true. Now, some more examples here. Show that the closed interval AB is a closed set. Is a closed set of usual topology U. So we have defined already what is usual topology and you have studied that one. Now problem is every closed interval AB is a closed set of usual topology. This is because we have already proved that every open interval is open set of U. This we have proved. Every open set is open interval is open set of U. Now every closed set is every closed interval is a closed set of U. When do you say that A is closed set? Its complement is open. Consider complement of AB. It is equal to, see, U is R is set of all reals, so minus infinity to A union B to infinity. This is the complement, correct? Minus infinity to A, B to infinity. This is the complement of AB. But see the right hand side, they are the open intervals. Since the right hand side is the union of open intervals, open intervals, which is an open set of U. This we have already proved. Union of open intervals is an open set of U. That also I have proved already. Therefore, this implies AB dash is open. That means complement of AB is open. So AB is closed set. AB is closed set in U. See, these examples are important. This same question may be a MCQ question. Question may be like this. The closed interval AB is dash set, closed set, open set, or it is semi-open set, like that. 4 choices, may be any choices. Then your choice is closed interval in usual topology U is a closed set. Open interval is open set. Now, next is every singleton set in the real space RU, every singleton set in the real space RU is closed. See, the topological space important here. With respect to the real space RU, singleton set A is closed. When do you say that any set is closed? Its complement is open. As in this case, we take complement of this. Consider A belongs to R and complement of A. It is minus infinity to A union A to infinity. You know the meaning of that closed interval and open interval. What is closed interval AB? Closed interval AB is set of all x is greater than or equal to A, less than or equal to B. And open interval AB means set of all x such that greater than A, less than B. They are the sets. Closed interval and open intervals are sets, and they are defined like this. Now, what is complement of singleton set A? Singleton set means it consists of only A. Complement is this. But the right hand side is open set. Open set of U. Why it is open set of U? Because they are the open intervals. Union of open intervals is an open set. Say, therefore, if you know the concept once, that carries throughout the study of that topic. Throughout the study of topology, we use this usual space, cofinite space, and every closed interval is closed set, open interval is open set, every singleton set is closed in RU, because the right hand side is union of open intervals is open set of U. Therefore, right hand side is open. Complement is open means A is closed. A is closed set of R. Next is, what is a closure? Definition of closure of a set. In a topological space, we define what is closure of a set. See, the definition is like this. Let X to be any topological space. Any topological space. Definition of a closure. Let A be a subset of X. A be a subset of X. Then the intersection of all the closed sets means with respect to this topology, closed sets containing a is called the closure of A. Closure of A and is denoted by A closure or closure of A. This is the notation. Understand definition? What is the definition? Suppose X2 is any topological space and A is a subset of X. A is a subset of X. Then the closure of A is defined as intersection of all the closed sets. I have already explained what is a closed set with respect to topology. Intersection of all the closed sets containing A, that is important, containing A is called a closure of A. It is denoted by this notation, A closure or CL of A, closure of A. Now I give the example that definition can be easily understood by this definition or example. Let X is equal to ABCD and tau is equal to X pi A ABC. Then clearly tau is a topology on X. Tau is a topology on X. That verification is left to you. You can practice also how to prove that a given collection of subsets of X is a topology. You will be practiced by this. It is exercise. You verify that it is a topology. Tau is a topology on X. Now question is, find the closure of BC, first one, second AB and D. Find the closure of these sets. These are all subsets of X. That is important. Now you know what is closure of X. First we write closed sets. All the closed sets. What are the closed sets? X, pi, A means BCD is closed, AB means CD is closed, ABC means D is closed. See, this is the list of closed sets in this topological space. List of closed sets. Now how to define BC, closure of a set? It is the intersection of all the closed sets containing this. Intersection of all the closed sets containing BC. What are the sets containing BC? First one is X, intersection BCD, and it is therefore BCD. It is the closure of BC. Closure of BC is BCD. By the example, the concept will be clear. What is closure of a set? It is the notation is like this. Closure means intersection of all the closed sets. I have already listed closed sets first. Then intersection of all the closed sets containing this. So this is BCD. Closure of BC is BCD. What is closure of AB? It is intersection of all the closed sets containing that AB. Containing AB. Here only X contains AB. So what is closure of AB? X. Next is what is closure of D. Third one. Closure of D is you have to take all the intersection of all the closed sets containing D. That is X, intersection BCD, intersection CD, intersection D. Because all these contain D. And what is the intersection of all this? D. This is about definition of closure of a set, and remaining I continue in my next video. Okay, thank you.